Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I will be unboxing jerseys that is from meesho. Every video I will mention in the description box below. So please do check out and subscribe to my channel. So let's start. It's like
Ronaldo, neymar, and messi. First one, of course, Ronaldo. So this is Ronaldo ka jersey. I will also make a video on how to check of this. So please press the bell icon to get the notification. OMG, I'm loving this. Ronaldo! This is a bit nice. Quality is also nice. Yeah. बस थोड़ा सा कुछ दाग था, that's okay. Yeah, इधर कुछ दाग है, but that's okay. I will manage. The quality is super cool, man. Let's show this. I'll try one. Now, let's go. Quality is pretty good, like. Now let's go for maybe here, neymar.
See the type of girl a nigga wish he had. See the type that if you get it, you could brag. Little shawty got her own and I like that. Hit the mall, say you ain't about the price tag. She got all these niggas out tryna wipe that. And the little nigga tryna fight that. She get whatever she want. She get that new Saint Laurent. I can put that money on her arm, and I can get the rest with the charm.